Hi, it's Neil here and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're gonna check out this Zulay. It's a lemon and lime juicer. So let's see, it's taped up really good, but let's see how it works. So this looks like, I looked at a bunch of different ones when I was looking at Amazon, and there were some really cheap ones, but this one here I got because it was one of the more expensive ones and it had really great reviews. And looking at it, you can kind of see, I'll bring it up a little closer. You can see it's pretty heavy duty. It's got the holes in the bottom there for the juice to come out, and pretty strong. It's made out of steel. Some of the other ones were made of aluminum and plastic, but I'm like, hey, if I'm gonna get something, I want it to last, and so this is what I wanna give it a try. So first we're gonna try a lemon. So first I'll slice this baby up, and I probably should wash it, but yeah, I'm going to because I don't know where it's at. So let's do a quick wash. It's not the best wash in the world, but it's gotta be clean. Okay. And now they say to put it in, I think like backwards like this, and you see it's a pretty big cup. If this is a pretty good sized lemon, a little paper on it, it's a pretty good sized lemon. It would probably even fit a small orange in there too. So let's see how we do here. So, wow. This is getting a surprising amount of juice. Oops, squirted it up. Okay, so there we go. So we squeezed that one out. And let's see. Wow, that thing's pretty darn flat. Yeah, there's a little bit more juice in it. I'm gonna actually fold it back out because it's such a big lemon. I don't know if there's gonna be anything else in there, probably not. Yeah, there's nothing else. It pretty much got it all out there, so let's put that one. And now let's try the other half. Squeeze it. And I don't know if moving it around does anything. I mean, I've never used one of these things before. I've been to restaurants where I've seen it done, salad bar places and stuff. But yeah, there's nothing, there's no juice left in there. And so let's see how we did here. So this is what I got from my lemon. It's a pretty decent amount of juice, and it got rid of the pulp too. So now we're gonna give it another shot, and I'm gonna try it with a lime, which is a slightly smaller fruit here. So let's see what we get out of the lime. It smells good here. Okay. So let's put the lime in. And the lime, you see it fits, it's way smaller than the lemon was. That was a pretty big lemon. I think that was a big item for this juicer. So let's see, so there's the squeeze on this one. Yeah, this one's getting a really good squeeze out of it. And yeah, this thing's a little puck now. There's no juice in there at all. And we'll try the other side. This really gets a surprisingly huge amount of juice out of these things. I never expected to have this much juice. Oops, I dumped the whole thing in there. I never expected to have this much juice in a lime. So there we go. So we squeezed it out, and you kind of see it turns it inside out and flattens it out, and it really basically gets everything out of there. Trying to push and see if there's any way to you can get a couple of drips out of there, but not much. I mean, it did a really good job. So, wash my hands here because it's starting to sting. Okay, so this, I really like it. It's got a lot of lemon and lime juice now, so look at that. It filled up that much from just one lime and one lemon. So I'm gonna go make my salad now, and this is the Zulay kitchen juicer, and I really like it. It's a really decent machine. It did way better than I thought it would do. I never thought I'd get that much juice out of one lemon and one lime. So excellent.